Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2012 Audi A4. This one's a 2-litre TFSi S-Tronic Quattro. It is the S-Line model. It's done 39,000 miles, full Audi service history up to 34k. It's finished in moonlight blue with the black leather. It's got the xenon lights, the 19-inch rotor alloys, privacy glass. Very, very, very clean and tidy example. We just fitted 4 brand new tyres to it. The colour is gorgeous. It's a 211 horsepower model. It's totally ULEZ compliant, so you can drive it in London or Manchester or Birmingham, wherever ULEZ is enforced. Just look how clean it is. Got the S-Line badges on the wings. Really, really nice car. Inside is like new. I'll just show you in the boot quickly. All very clean. Got the split folding rear seats. And I do believe a space saver spare wheel. All your toolkit's under the wheel. You've got your warning triangle up the top there. It's got the half leather, half Alcantara or cloth interior. Got the Isofix in the back with the armrest. Got the rear blinds from factory, as well as the privacy glass. Oh, wish I'd not done that now. Got your 3-spoke paddle shift steering wheel, which is multifunction as well. Got the extending leg squabs on the seats. Seats are very nice. So is all your switch gear. All super, super clean and tidy. It does have auto lights and wipers, cruise control. And as you can see just there, or you could, the mileage is 39149. We'll just start it up so you can see there's no warning lights or anything untoward. All your lights illuminate and go out as they should. Currently due a service, which will be carried out all within the price of the vehicle. Other than fuel light, no warnings, all hunky-dory. Got your DAB radio, Audi media interface, CD, SD card, which is just there in the dashboard, CD changer, and your media interface is in there somewhere. Got your navigation, all your maps are working, Bluetooth telephone, and parking sensors. This one's got auto dip mirrors as well. All the centre console is immaculate, and that's really it. Genuine 39,000 miles, 2-litre TFSi. Get in touch, 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.